So I needed a new Bible, and I found this great one on Amazon. It's the King James Version. It's got a faux leather cover that's very pliable with this great edging in it. It looks great. It feels great. It's got the gold edging here. It also has all the books with the tabs, so you can find them easily. I also love that it has this great placement ribbon, and you can see also that Jesus' words are in red. I love the verse finder at the back. If you're struggling with something in particular, you can find verses to help you get through it. One other thing that I love is it's got a 1-year reading plan of the Bible, so you can get through the whole Bible in a year by following this. There's also some wonderful maps in the back that kind of bring alive the stories in the Bible, like this is the Exodus path for Egypt, and there's many of them that kind of spring the whole Bible into life for you. So I love this book. I recommend it, and I think you'll like it too.